Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix fast charging not working on the Samsung Galaxy A36.
Fix 1. Check charger and cable. Step 1. Use the original Samsung fast charger and cable. Step 2. Inspect the cable and adapter for damage. Replace if faulty. Fix 2. Clean charging port. Step 1. Turn off your phone. Step 2. Use a soft brush or toothpick to gently clean the charging port. Fix 3. Enable fast charging. Step 1. Go to Settings, Battery and Device Care, Battery, More battery settings. Step 2. Turn on fast charging or super fast charging. Fix 4. Restart your phone. Step 1. Press and hold the power button. Step 2. Tap restart. Fix 5. Check for software updates. Step 1. Go to Settings, Software Update. Step 2. Tap download and install if an update is available. Fix 6. Test another outlet or adapter. Step 1. Plug your charger into a different power outlet. Step 2. Try another Samsung compatible fast charger.